Welcome to Who Wins Reviews. The best book bag is probably one of the most essential pieces of gear for any high school boy, serving not just as a carrier for textbooks and notebooks, but as a statement of personal style and a crucial tool for organization throughout a demanding academic year, impacting everything from comfort during commutes to the accessibility of necessary supplies during a busy school day. Number 5. Asge Waterproof Camo School Backpack for Kids. Crafted from high-quality Oxford fabric, this backpack is water-repellent and built to last. It effectively protects your belongings from light rain, making it ideal for daily school use and travel. Equipped with reflective material, it ensures visibility in the dark for added safety during nighttime activities like jogging or cycling. The reflective pattern glows for hours after absorbing light. Designed with your comfort in mind, its adjustable straps ease pressure on your shoulders. The breathable material prevents sweat buildup, even during extended wear. Featuring a unique, stylish design from our brand, this backpack boasts robust zippers and multiple pockets for organized storage. Side pockets are perfect for water bottles and umbrellas. This backpack is perfect for school, university, outdoor adventures, sports, camping, hiking, and travel. It's a great gift option for Christmas or birthdays. We offer a 24-hour response to all inquiries and a replacement or refund if you're not satisfied. Enjoy peace of mind with your purchase. What we like. This backpack features a durable, water-repellent Oxford material, perfect for protecting your belongings from light rain. Its integrated reflective strips enhance visibility in low-light conditions, making it ideal for students who walk or bike at night. If you prioritize safety and protection from the elements for your daily commute or travel, this is a solid choice. What people say. This backpack is very spacious and can hold a lot of books and supplies. The backpack has multiple compartments, making it easy to organize belongings. The straps are padded and adjustable, providing a comfortable fit even when the backpack is full. Number 4. RICKYH Style School Backpack Travel Bag. This backpack offers a spacious main compartment with a chic graffiti print design. It can hold up to 25 liters or 20 pounds, combining style with ample storage. Stay organized with multiple compartments, including a dedicated laptop sleeve, inner mesh pocket, and various outer pockets for easy access to your essentials. This versatile bag is perfect for everyday use, school, commuting, or even weekend adventures like short hikes and camping trips. Experience comfortable carrying with its lightweight construction and adjustable padded shoulder straps. It's designed for ease and comfort, no matter where you go. We stand by our product with a 90-day warranty against defects in materials and workmanship. Our customer support team is here to help even after the return window closes. This backpack is suitable for users aged 8 and up, providing a reliable and stylish option for students and travelers alike. What we like. With its eye-catching graffiti design and a generous 25L capacity, this backpack offers a stylish way to carry your essentials. It boasts a well-organized interior with numerous compartments, including a dedicated laptop sleeve. If you're looking for a backpack that combines bold aesthetics with practical organization for school or weekend trips, this one stands out. What people say. This backpack is incredibly spacious, easily fitting all my textbooks, notebooks, and even a laptop. The padded shoulder straps are a lifesaver, making it comfortable to carry even when fully loaded. Multiple compartments and pockets keep everything organized, from pens and calculators to my water bottle. Number 3. JanSport Driver 8 Rolling Backpack. Always be organized and ready to go with this rolling laptop bag. It includes a padded sleeve to keep your computer secure anywhere. This laptop backpack is designed for convenience. It has smooth wheels, a telescopic handle, and tuck-away shoulder straps for when you need to carry it. Whether you're heading to class or work, this sleek rolling backpack will help you express your style. It's available in multiple stunning patterns. Made to be strong, this wheeled backpack features high-quality materials and amazing, long-lasting construction. Designed to be functional, this college backpack includes large main compartments, a side bottle pocket, and a front organizer pocket. It will always keep you organized. What we like. This rolling backpack offers the ultimate convenience for heavy loads, featuring smooth wheels and a telescopic handle to reduce strain. It also includes a padded sleeve to protect a 15-inch laptop. If you often carry heavy textbooks or a laptop and want to avoid shoulder fatigue, this wheeled option is perfect for you. What people say. This backpack has a lot of compartments, which is great for organizing school supplies. The backpack is made of durable material and seems like it will last a long time. It's comfortable to wear, even when fully loaded with books and other items. Number 2. MITOWERMI Galaxy Space Backpack. Embark on an adventure with our new Galaxy Space Backpack. It's perfect for carrying all your essentials for school and beyond. This backpack is designed with primary and junior school kids in mind. It offers ample space for books and supplies. Never forget your lunch again. This set conveniently includes a matching lunchbox to keep your meals fresh. Made with durable materials, it's built to last through all your daily adventures. The vibrant Galaxy print is sure to impress. Whether you're a boy or a girl, this book bag is a fantastic choice. It's comfortable to wear and easy to carry. Get ready for school with this all-in-one backpack set. It has everything you need to make your school days exciting. What we like. This backpack set comes with a fun Galaxy Space theme and includes a matching lunchbox, making it perfect for younger students. It's designed to be appealing and functional for primary and junior school kids. If your child loves space and you're looking for a coordinated set for school, this is a great option. What people say. This backpack is perfect for high school students, with plenty of room for books and a laptop. The design is sleek and modern, and the material is durable and water-resistant. Multiple compartments and pockets make it easy to organize everything, and the padded straps ensure comfort even when carrying heavy loads. Number 1. GOLDWHEAT School Backpack for Teen Boys. Crafted from high-quality nylon fabric, this backpack is built to withstand scratches, fading, and everyday wear and tear. It's easily cleaned and perfect for active teens. Weighing only 1.33 pounds, it offers ample space for textbooks, a laptop, or even clothes for a short trip without feeling bulky. Enjoy comfortable carrying all day long. With 8 compartments, including a padded laptop sleeve and multiple pockets, you can easily organize your essentials. Keep your books, water bottles, and gadgets neatly arranged for quick access. Padded, adjustable shoulder straps and a breathable back panel relieve pressure and prevent stuffiness. It's designed for maximum comfort during long walks and commutes. Its timeless black design with trendy patterns suits any occasion, from school to outdoor adventures. This backpack is your perfect companion for all daily needs. What we like. Crafted from high-quality, water-resistant 840D nylon, this backpack is built for durability and protection against the elements. It features a dedicated compartment for a 15.6-inch laptop and is surprisingly lightweight for its capacity. If you need a reliable, stylish, and comfortable backpack for daily school use or short trips, this one offers excellent value and organization. What people say. This book bag has a lot of compartments, which is great for organizing school supplies. The book bag is made of durable material and seems like it will last a long time. The padded shoulder straps make it comfortable to wear, even when carrying heavy books. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.